So hi everybody, this is me Raman Karthik. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please go and subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get more updates. So you might have seen the same car in the last video also. Yes, I'm using my car to record these videos because car doesn't have that outer noises, etc., etc. You can be pleased. I'm using as a studio for now, for being now, and this is not about what we are going to speak in this video. In this video we are going to speak about, will India extend or again impose the curfew, the lockdown in India. So we are going to discuss in detail in this video. So already we are fed up with this lockdown and everything. Now they are going to impose it again is a bad idea for me. And now it has been several months we sitting in the home. Finally we got one fine news that they are going to open the colleges, but we don't know how it is going to be. Now, as I said, as I always say, I have two minds, two sides I have to stand. I feel like it should be opened. I feel like I'm scared also, how why they should open, kind of thing. So we'll see in this video how detailing about the Indian curfew, the Indian lockdown, which is going to be coming soon. May be coming, may not be coming. We'll see which all the states will amendments apply in their state. So we'll see everything in this video. Still, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please go and subscribe and don't forget to click on that bell icon to get more updates. So let's go into this video.
Looking at the rising cases of coronavirus across the country, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will meet the chief ministers of states on Tuesday via video conferencing. During the day long meeting with the chief ministers, PM Modi will review the COVID situations, and as per the suggestion, he will take possible decision. As number of states have partially announced lockdown by imposing night curfews and Section 144, it is possible that PM might announce another lockdown in states where the cases are rising in rapid rate. However, the center would give states the power to decide on the announcement of lockdown. The development comes as the country has crossed 91 lakh mark in coronavirus cases in the past 1 week. The health ministry earlier in the day had said that the India has been registering less than 50,000 COVID-19 cases daily since November 8, which assumes significance as several countries in the Western Hemisphere are witnessing a surge in cases at the onset of winter. The situation is becoming serious as a total of 44,000 people were found infected with COVID 19 in the span of 24 hours with 10 within 10 states in and UTs contributing about 78.74 percentage of new infection. Delhi reported 6,000 cases and Maharashtra recorded about 5,000 and Kerala also 5,000. There are many cases being increasing day by day. So the caseload as it increases, the national COVID-19 recovery rate continues to be above 93%. Expressing the concern over the rising cases of coronavirus, the Supreme Court earlier in the day asked the center and all the states to file within 2 days status reports detailing the steps taken to deal with the situation. And as the things are going higher, there may be a lockdown um, in December. So the top court said all the efforts shall be made by the center and the states to initiate the situation, to see the situation, to deal with the rising number of COVID cases. Observing that there is a rise of COVID 19 cases across the country, especially in the states like Delhi, Maharashtra, and Gujarat. The bench noted the submission of Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, who said that Union Home Minister Amit Shah had taken meeting on November 15 and steps are being taken to deal with the situation in the national capital. So we'll see how it goes on. So there may be a lockdown. So that's it, people. Thanks for watching. Like it, share it, and subscribe my channel.